with another exciting video. We're gonna create something very new, very exciting stuff, which can be very useful for our application, any mobile application, as well as any web app or website. We can implement that thing. So let's see. These are the components you can see over here. I gonna go not prefer to have a time lapse, but I gonna make you show what are the things I'm doing right now in this screen. So okay, let's get started. It's me, Triple P designer over here. So let's dive deep inside it, and let's know what are the components and what are the things I'm gonna create right now. So yes, I'm excited to let you start, and also you can keep on doing with me what are the things I'm doing right now. You can just watch the video and start doing. So these are the components I have with me right now. This is one dot, and this is one icon, and this is also another icon, and this is a stroked circle having a stroke of 3, or you can just give it 4 for better enhancement. So one frame with rounded corner, 5 or 6, whatever you're gonna give, not an issue. This is a normal rectangle with rounded corner 5. Okay, cool. So here we have two things we have to do right now. One is milestone tracker, where we can see different dots present in a long line, where user can see different type of pricing rate or something related to points or something related to that. And another one we're gonna create like a complete bar where user can scroll from left to right without any stoppage. Okay, so here we have to take one frame first, and let's insert this inside this particular frame. Yeah, it's already in. Okay, cool. Then this particular one help us to put it on the top of this frame, and let's bring to front. This is it. Oh, sorry, it's going inside the frame. Yep, now it's better. So instead of that, let's put this icon and see what is gonna happen in this look, and in another look we're gonna create something different. Okay, so this is one. These are the multiple dots present in this particular scroll long bar. uh, One over here, like text 2020 gap. Command D or control D if you have to duplicate multiple things. I think I have created extra one, I don't need this. um, Take this frame to the back, send it to back, and select all those and create an auto layout. Let's stretch it a little bit, and let's compress it from here if it's necessary. I don't think we're gonna start from here. Of course we have to put this dot at the end, then definitely this bar little bit longer gonna happen, little bit longer. And let's create another one. Yes, so and make it hug content, and then we're gonna reduce. Yes, now we can see there are two frame 2, and the inner one is just wait, uh, frame, sorry, frame 1. Yes, so we're gonna overlap these two, and yes, now it's perfectly aligned. And we're gonna do one thing. We're gonna make it a single component in auto layout. Yes, and this is flexible for us. This particular bar is flexible for us. We can just make it to any part of this thing. And this is already in 3636. Let's make it 36 completely, not any squarish or slightly weird shape. So we made it, and let's replace this one with fast dot. And yeah, it's already done. Make it fix. Okay, sorry. Yes. Hmm. Hug. Okay. I think I did some mistake. Okay. Ungroup. replace this one with this one. This is properly aligned. Yes, now it's perfect. So this is the one of the tool tip which gonna present in the screen for the initial start. We're gonna take it to the, yes. So this is if the starting point is just let's take it 1000. uh, let's make it close. Okay, cool. Now we can place it below this. Nice, great. So we have to replace this with this one. Let's take it to here. And reduce this gap, auto layout gap between this particular dots, like around 16. No, 16 is too close. Make it 18. Yeah, perfect. 18 is perfect. So okay, so this is the initial look of this particular thing. Let's take it away from the screen. Okay, this is one complete setup. Let's make this into one auto layout, and this to this is one group. Cool. So we're gonna replica this bar should be inside this. Yeah, we're gonna create this duplicate. Yeah, we're gonna replace with this one and drag the bar to this. Over here we're gonna plan something different, like we have to create something this one at the end also. uh, yeah, and this dot should pointing towards this dot, and the amount is 1 lakh. Cool. Okay, once the carousel gets started, then once this bar gets started, like this dotted one, like this dot one get bigger, dot one get started, then this converted into, let's make it sorry, 5000. Cool. Let's make another one, and similar process. Bar, let's take it to this. 25. Let's make another copy. 45. Maybe I'm getting wrong in this particular calculation, so just forgive me and focus on the part where I'm creating multiple stuffs, like to highlight which particular pointer having the proper position. So it will be 90,000. Let's put some commas in all those areas. And the last but not in the least, Mm, yes, finally the dot get completed with all those pointers. Now the user reached 1 lakh position. Cool. Finally it's done. Yep. So these are the complete setup. Let's select all those. Drop down component set. Cool. Now jump to the prototype. Instead of that, we're gonna, okay, not an issue, we're gonna do it later on. So select this, not this particular thing. This is the main. We have to drag this particular to second point. Not one click, point it out. One drag should be there, and smart animation. Okay, that's all. Just make it to 100. Cool. Second, similar way. User can also drag from back to, like, reaching out the point, he can just drag it back also. So same process. Cool, our component is ready. Let's name it triple P designer. Do subscribe, guys, please do subscribe, because every video takes a hell lot of time to make it and just edit it and all those things. Let's select on artboard, or let's take a mobile screen size. Android large is more than enough, or we can resize it to some other undefined size. Make the corner rounded to look little bit aesthetically cool. Yes, stroke should be a little bit more. Perfect. Let's go to the asset section. You can see here is the asset. Here is the asset. Yes, I already created. Don't see all these things. I already created something, so I already practiced for you actually. Make it center line. Yeah, perfect. Let's select and cool. Can we drag it? Yes, yes, yes. The price is also changing. You can see. Yes, cool, perfect. Can it go back? Yeah, it's going back. That's cool. Nice. That's it for the day. So hope you guys understand the complete procedure to uh, make it milestone related bar, where user can drag at different points of the complete bar, and with a dot which mentioned some points or some money related stuff, so that it can help. That's it for the day. Hope to see you soon, guys. Tata, bye bye, signing off.